Hello everyone, and a very warm welcome to the August Craft Box Signature Box unboxing. Really excited to be showing you this box today. This is our very first signature box. We have reworked the box completely to bring you lots of lovely bespoke products inside, and a lot of you asked what's inside, and before you commit, before you buy a box, you wanted to know. So let me show you an example. We do have some September boxes left, so let's have a look. Box comes to you like this. It's always lovely magnetic box, and it's beautifully ribbon tied, so we can just untie this, and then upon opening the box you will be met with two things. There will be a thank you card, and there will be a little note from me just to tell you what is happening in this box, and also there will be a list of the products that we have inside. Then the inside of the box is lined with the tissue paper and is stuck with a lovely sticker ready for you to open and enjoy. So let's just get inside there. I know everyone always tries to do it as gently as possible, but sometimes you just need to get in. So here you go. Inside of the box you will find 15 to 16 products, depending if you are a subscriber or not. So let's have a look. The first thing we have are those lovely little vials. These are beautiful quality, really lovely glass, of course. Then we have our dragon charms. This box, by the way, was mermaids and dragons. That was the theme. So we had loads of dragons and some mermaids, and it was absolutely loved and very well received. So we have a pack of charms. We also have a pack of beautiful mulberry flowers. Flowers are a staple in every single one of our boxes. We had those gorgeous dragon eyes, and then the glass cabochon. We also had this huge resin piece. We have sold hundreds of those, both in the boxes and individually, but getting it in your box was definitely a really good deal. Have a look at this. There were tons of beautiful projects online with this one. We also have those really stunning acrylic embellishments. They are quite sizable, and they just reminded me of water droplets. They went so well with the theme, and obviously you can embellish your canvases, you can treat them as a jewelry and use them in jewelry making. There are so many different uses. Then we had this much loved necklace, and this one is actually glows in the dark. It's a dragon necklace. Again, you can use it as a necklace, or you can use it in your mixed media project as this very special piece. Let's show you what we've got. Beautiful piece. Then we have a pot of metallic micro beads. Let's have a look at them in a little bit of a close-up. Beautiful colour. Then we also have some lovely glass cabochons. And now we're getting to these really exciting pieces, the bespoke pieces for the box. So we have a mini stencil created just for us by lovely Marta from Snip Art. And this stencil, obviously with different design, is going to be featured in every single one of the boxes. Then we have a little adorable stamp, and again we're going to have a different stamp in every single box, and in the next box this stamp is actually much bigger. So this one was a bit of a trial, and we had a tiny little stamp there. And then we have tons of lovely mermaid tails. These are some of the latest embellishments, and I was so excited to bring them to a craft box. Absolutely beautiful embellishments. Then we have the cutout by Snip Art that has been created just for us, and this one says "In My Dreams." We also have another cutout by Snip Art, and this one is a beautiful dragon. Then we had a piece of beautiful fabric. Let me just open this up because this was really lovely. Such a beautiful beautiful, almost like a kimono or obviously Asian outfit fabric. And then lastly, we have Bespoke papers, and these have been created just for us and just for this box. They're not featured anywhere else. So we have dragons, more dragons, and then more dragons, and more dragons. And then we have this lovely ephemera sheet that you can cut up yourself. So here is what was in our August craft box, mermaids and dragons. Lots of beautiful products to make lovely projects with. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you again in a month.